everyone, Annette here from Ask Me Decor. Thanks for joining me, and if you're new here, welcome. So today's video is all about spring color. We're going to continue to decorate for spring, and I'm going to do it in the living room, and I want to talk about color. So I'm not going to keep you in suspense. The color I'm talking about is right here, blush pink. I fell in love with this color. I was watching a few YouTube videos and a few girls were using this color for spring in things like pillows, throws, flowers, accents around the room, candles, and I can't tell you how much I love this color. So I could never use a color like pink in my living room. I had a rust-colored rug in here. The couch was beige, but the accent chair was rust and like a mustard yellow and brown, a very large floral print. Pink would never work with it. I even struggled with Christmas. Red and green was a stretch with it, but I've gone way more neutral in this room. I have a light gray carpet, I have a gray sofa, and I have a beige color accent chair. So I can put colors like pink with it and it looks beautiful. And I'm so thrilled because I'm telling you, I am in love with this color. Now, one more thing we need to talk about while we're considering color for decorating for spring or any season for that matter, especially if you have open floor plan. I don't have a true open floor plan, but you can see my rooms from other rooms. So we definitely need them to coordinate. I used a lot of yellow in the kitchen, yellow and green. In my living room, I'm going to use this blush pink color, but I want it to coordinate with my kitchen because you can see both of these rooms. And that's where this pillow comes in. This is a hard-working pillow. It is coordinating my blush pink color, which you can see right here in these flowers in the pillow, and the yellow. So the yellow is part of the kitchen colors, and the blush pink is part of my living room. So now I've got some cross-matching of color, and I'm coordinating these rooms perfectly. There's also going to be a little sprinkle of green in the living room, and then when we get to the dining room, there's going to be more of the green. So we're kind of making a color story. We're starting with yellow and green, we're going to green and blush, and then we're going to green. If you follow the path of color, it's going to make perfect sense and it all coordinates beautifully. Now, in order to use this color, I did have to make a couple purchases. These pillows are new, and one of the pink throws is new. These other items that I'm showing you now, I found around my house. I shopped my stash and found anything that had the color pink in it or something close to it. I pulled everything together, and we're going to decide what's going to work in this room and what I'm going to use. Let's see how it goes. Forsythia. It grows outside and it's one of the first plants to bloom in the spring in a beautiful show of yellow flowers. We cut it, bring it in, place it in some warm water in a warm place in your home, and weeks before it blooms outside, you will see it bloom in your house. It's perfect for spring decor. You can also see some pussy willows mixed in there with my Forsythia. I'll combine them for a yellow and white effect. You won't see them blooming in this video. It's going to take them a good week and a half to start blooming, but I'll show you those in the next video when they're in full bloom, and they're going to be gorgeous.
with you. Everything's moving slower. I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at said, man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. You set my wheels in motion. I'm going crazy for you. Eyes blue like the ocean. I can see you want this too. Cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know. And I ain't playing no games, baby, you won't change. I only want you. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling.
So that's going to conclude decorating the living room for spring using the color blush pink, which I fell in love with. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you got some inspiration. And now would be a great time to like and subscribe the channel. That really helps me. If you have any questions, just ask me in the comments and I'll see you in the next video, which is going to be the dining room. We're going to do an Easter tablescape. I have some new finds to show you. So thanks for joining me and I'll see you in the next video.